Turn it. Do it again. Okay. I got my mailman helping me. Go ahead, go do it. Sign is over here. Do it. Sign is over here. Okay, do it again. One more time. Do it one more time. Okay, it's up here. Okay. Okay. I know you got to run and do your route. So
well, at least you found out where it was at.
Yeah, I thought it was back here. Now it sounds like it's more up here. Now I'm able to kind of look at it, but I'm gonna have to get somebody else.
You want to get somebody else?
Yeah, I know you know the mailman. The mailman. What's your name again? Roosevelt. So Roosevelt, he got to get a raise because he helped deliver the mail, but he's kind of helped me diagnose this motor here. Yeah. So I gotta